Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this Coachella Festival inspired makeup look. I was inspired by this shirt that I got from H&M. It's a little crop to up here. Woo! Yes, it's so cute, and you can wear it like down too if you want. I thought pink would look really pretty with this green top, so I did like a pink eyeshadow look. And then I just love gold beads, and I know beads are pretty popular for Coachella, so yeah, I added some gold beads. And yeah, I really love how it came out. So if you guys would like to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. And don't mind my nails. I don't need this hair dye. Moving on, yeah. Coachella. Who's ready for Coachella? I'm leaving in a couple days. I'm so excited. No, I wish I was going, but I'm not. To start off, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Nude Palette. I've been using this religiously. I'm obsessed. I'm going to go in with Tickle. This a light pink shade. And buff this out in my crease. I don't know. I've always thought pink and green look really cute together. Since I have a green top, you know, might as well add a little pink eyeshadow. I'm using Morphe M518 to buff this too, by the way. I'm gonna go into the Sultry palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. My other favorite palette. I'm gonna go in with Pearl and Rose Quartz. This one. Now, I'm gonna do my winged liner with Sephora's Matte Liquid Liner. Very lightly. No one's gonna kill me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. So I dropped my black liquid liner on the carpet. And this is evidence to show my mom that I tried to clean it right away. So I went to the kitchen and got this Rug Doctor spot stain remover. And I'm letting it soak. Yeah, she's gonna kill me, but oh god. I'll buy you a new rug, Mom, I swear. My life is just a big mess right now. Hey, at least I didn't get any on my shirt. By the way, this is from H&M. Oh my god. Thick vibes, save lives. We're putting these babies on. These would be perfect for Coachella if I was actually going. I feel like a new woman every time I put lashes on. Oh my god, I think it worked. I think this, yes, I think it worked. I might have to like cut it out of the video. Then my mom will never know that it happened. No, I can't do that. Always be truthful, fam. Oh, I'm gonna put a little of the Tickle pink color underneath my eyelids. Blackout. Next, I'm gonna use the NYX eyeliner. Just black eyeliner. And then go in my waterline a little bit. Ooh, her eyes are on fleek. And then use my Lash Sensational by Maybelline. went to AC Moore and got these gold sweet beads. I just love gold, and I think it would be perfect for Coachella, so that's what I did. And I'm gonna use my liquid latex for glue. Oh my god, that's amazing. It really did take care of it. That's awesome. Do you guys want an update on my love life? It's going great. Just deleted these apps on my phone because I'm done with them. And I'm really happy to be single. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I just want to be single and that's it. I just want to be by myself and not worry about anyone else and get this money, and yeah. So if that isn't a mood, then tell me what is. Who watches New Girl? Because same, I'm obsessed. Like, New Girl's the best. I freaking love Schmidt and Nick. Oh god, I would probably date Nick. If there's a Nick out there, let me know. Also, it's snowing in Maine right now, and it's April. And I looked at the forecast, and it's supposed to snow the next 2 days as well. Don't really know what's going on. It's fine. I'm gonna use my Correct Champagne Pop by Becca and put this in my inner. Something weird's going on. Oh, she's glowing. Yes. Put it on my cheekbones. I have to get a new one. This maybe is bad. Lips, I'm going to use Soar by MAC for my lip liner. For lipstick, I'm gonna use NYX Natural Matte Lipstick. Oh my god, it's the perfect color. I'm gonna add a little ombre effect. I'm gonna do a little nude. It's Revolution Matte Lippy in 109. And I'm just gonna focus this in the middle of my bottom and top lip. These are amazing, they smell like cupcakes. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see next time. Bye.